Hey Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I have finally got round to swatching the whole of this Divine by Natasha Lee's glitter collection, which I have been dying to do, but obviously there's 35 glitters in this collection, so I just needed some time to be able to do that, and this actually took me 2 days of recording to get this video ready for you. But I've sort of cut out all of the rubbish that you're not going to want to see, so hopefully you'll find it really interesting and not too long. So what I'm going to do is show you how I am going to be applying the glitters. So I'm going to be applying you and showing you 2 ways, and then all of the other glitters will have already been done off camera. So I'm going to be using her glitter brush as well to apply the glitters. I've been using her brushes in other videos and they are just absolutely amazing. They've like really helped me, you know, with nail art and things like that. Because they're decent quality brushes, I'm able to achieve great nail art with them, as you've no doubt seen throughout my videos. So this technique, what I'm going to be doing is basically burnishing the glitter in. Now this Unicorn Essence is a really fine glitter. It's almost like powder. And I know you can't see a lot of colour, but there is colours all the way through it. There's like pinks and blues and all sorts. So now I'm just getting my brush and really sort of rubbing that in. It doesn't matter about trashing your brush. In fact, you want your glitter brush to be a little bit rough around the edges. It helps better with pickup and things like that. So I'll try and get a good decent shot of this, but there is colours there, trust me. Hopefully you can see it a little bit more now. And then this next technique is either sprinkling or sugaring, and basically I've put on a wet layer of white polish and I'm just getting the glitter and sprinkling it on. You want to try and do it as even as possible, and don't do what I'm about to do, which is like major league tap and then it tapped off it and then just did that, which was rather annoying, and there isn't really much I could do to kind of like sort that out. And then you would cure that. You wouldn't mess around with it or anything like that. Cure it in your lamp for a minute if you're using LED, or 2 minutes if you're using a UV only lamp, and then like rub off the excess. And then I'm only going to be applying the top coat to the burnished nail. So I actually apply a base coat first. I do this to not contaminate my top coat. So I'll go ahead and cure that, and then I come in with a top coat as well. So hopefully you can start to see those colours coming through a little bit more. But this one is gorgeous. So there you go, you can see both of the effects there. So you can see now all those colours that are coming through. There's greens, there's oranges, there's all sorts of colours. It's gorgeous. And I'm going to be showing you, not on every one, but just on some of them, what it looks like over black. I would imagine most of these colours can go over black, to be honest. So this doesn't look that great now, but it really sort of comes to life and pops when you add like the base and the top coat, which I'm going to show you. So see that? See all that colour come bursting out. So this was the one that I used, you know, when I did the sort of forest stamping with glitter nail design. This was the glitter that I used. And it just looked absolutely stunning over black as well. And then if this is Natasha Lee's glitter tray as well, so you want to have that underneath you when you're applying the glitters. That way, especially with the sprinkling technique, so you're not wasting any of your glitters, you can just put them back into the pot. Or you can use paper, folded paper underneath if you haven't got a glitter tray. So this is the next one, and this is Opal, and this is absolutely stunning. It's an iridescent fine glitter, and this is it all done. But I just loved the burnished look. You kind of had that like almost like polka dot look to it. It was very stunning. And this is it over black as well. So very gorgeous over both. So like seriously, Jelly Babes, I have never oohed and so much when swatching this collection. It's just breathtaking. It's just absolutely stunning. Each glitter just gets better and better. I mean, just look at that colour coming through with the burnish technique. And then you've obviously got more of the green coming out, the greeny bluey purple look if you put it over black. But that over the white was just stunning. So you've got this next one now. So this is actually, it's got quite a lot of colours in it. Initially you just think that it's white, but it's got reds and greens, which hopefully you'll see in a moment. So can you see all those different colours that it's got in it? So it's got like silver, but then you just get flashes of other colour. It's such a cool glitter. And as well, so this is platinum, so this is a metallic glitter. So I like the fact that there's a variety, like you've got the holographic, you've got iridescent, you've got metallic, and I think there's some multichromes as well. So this one is just super, super gorgeous. It's got that gorgeous holo laser, and it's is it Sirius or Sirius? One of those anyway. So this is I did these both over a black base, and it was just so gorgeous. And this was it with my with my torch off my iPhone, so you can proper see that gorgeous holographic sparkle. So I don't know if you've gone ahead or even know whether Divine Natasha Lee, sorry, has got this store, which is Divine, obviously, by Natasha Lee. It used to be her salon name, the Divine part of it. So I like the fact that she's incorporated that into this online shop. But yeah, she's got so many gorgeous products on there, and there's different tools on there. Like, she sent me the whole basically like what she's got on her shop at the moment, so, and which I was like just gobsmacked with. But yeah, but I just absolutely cannot recommend these products enough. They really are top quality. She's put a lot of thought and effort into it, which you can see when you use them as well. So this one here is Fool's Gold, so it's another metallic. So by the way, when I'm putting my glove behind it, the black, that's more of what the colour looks like in the flesh. Like some of the times it was coming up a bit dark. So when I move it and show you it in front of the black glove, that's how it's actually coming across, if that makes any sense at all. So this is a super, super bright glitter. And I didn't use like a bright yellow. I didn't use like a neon yellow. I'm sure it'd look, you know, gorgeous over a neon yellow as well. But I used a bit of a warmer yellow. And then you've got this one, which is such a gorgeous pink shade. It's almost like a baby pink shade. And again, lots of colours coming through. I love iridescent glitters because you can pretty much put them over any base and it's going to bring out different parts of the glitter. They're definitely great glitters for those that, you know, can't afford that many. But, you know, if you get an iridescent glitter and you've got some different, you know, base gel polish colours, that it's going to look different on each one. So it's going to look like you've used a completely different product, but you're actually just using that one glitter over various bases. And that one, well, what can I say? How absolutely stunning is that? One of my favourites, obviously. So this one is called Sweet Pea, which is such a gorgeous name. And if you go on the store, on her store, you actually see that some of the glitters are dedicated. And this one was dedicated to her mum and Natasha's memories of the sweet scented delicate sweet peas, obviously. But yeah, but I even love that. I love the fact that she's dedicated some of these, not all of them, but some of the glitters to, you know, important people or influential people in her life. So this is Rambling Rose, and again, such a little stunner. So then moving on, very quickly actually, to this really, really bright pink iridescent glitter. So it has got like a bluey, purpley, sparkly look to this. It's like so bright. I don't know what I think my camera doesn't know what to focus on. So moving on, so then you've got some fuchsias, which again, this is another holographic, which I absolutely love holographic. You can't go wrong with holographic, and you know, these are super pretty, and I just love that shade anyway. Like that fuchsia shade is gorgeous. So then this one is a perfect autumn shade, and it's called Ginger. So again, another stunner. So tell me which technique you prefer. Do you prefer the burnished look or the sprinkled look? Like, you can do some gorgeous nail art with the sprinkled look. I have done some nail arts with these glitters already. If you've not seen them, I'll probably be leaving iCards throughout the video so you can go and check them out. But also you can check them out over on my Instagram at Jellylicious as well. But yeah, I've created some gorgeous nail arts using this sort of sprinkled technique. So next up is this Crimson Rose, which is a beautiful, beautiful colour. So sparkly as well. Very, very pretty. Just look at it. And I love the fact as well with her glitter pots, like with the lids, like it's a window lid, like you can see through. So do you know, if you were storing these in a drawer, you can still see quite, if they're in the drawer, you can still see just even through the lid which colour that you're after. Like for me, I store them on my you know, shelves on my walls, so I can see obviously the side of the bottles and I can see all the colours quite clearly. But she even thought of ones who you know, don't have the space for the wall shelves and it's got to go in a cupboard somewhere, or a, you know, a drawer, or you know, maybe your nail art bag if you go out and if you're a mobile nail technician or something like that, you can look down and easily identify the glitter. So have you purchased any of these products, whether it's her glitters or any of the nail tools? I would love to know your thoughts on them also. But I think the glitters, they are really you know, great value for money. You know, they're like professional quality, but not the professional price tag that comes with it. So you get 8 grams and that's £3.80, which I think is a really good value for money. And that 8 grams, even if it is in a salon, it's going to last you ages. Like, a little goes a long way with these. So yes, I cannot rave about these products enough. And no, I'm not just saying it because she sent me this stuff to review. You know, well, those that watch me regularly know I'm not like that anyway. I am genuine. And if you watch Natasha Lee and have watched her over on YouTube, you know that she is, you know, a lovely, genuine lady as well. She doesn't give you any rubbish. She, you know, she tells it how it is, and you know, quality and, you know, getting value for your money and things like that are things that are very important to her. And also how the materials are sourced. So she's very environmentally friendly as well, even down to the packaging. Like, it came in a big box, and you know, those like little polystyrene nugget things, they could be washed away and disposed of in water, and it's totally safe to do so. And I did actually check that out, and it did. I put it in the water and they all just melted away. So, you know, you're not clogging up, you know, landfills with loads of rubbish. So I even love that about it. Like, she's brought out this collection, but she's, you know, thinking about the environment with it also. So this is obviously another gorgeous, stunning glitter, which I absolutely love. So have you got any favourites? I know obviously there's 35 glitters to choose from, so I don't expect you to narrow it down to one, but just let me know your favourites in the comments box below. It'd be interesting to see the different glitters that people pick out. This one is absolutely gorgeous. This was the first glitter I tried with one of the whites, and I did like a snowy icicle nail design, and oh, it just looks so gorgeous. So next one up is Kingfisher, and by the way, my bases are as similar colour to the glitter, or as similar as I can get it anyway, with my gel polishes, so that's what I've put them over, just in case that was something that you were wondering. So this one is gorgeous for spring. Very well named, with Spring Meadow, but it is that gorgeous green light colour that you want to use in springtime, and it's holographic as well, which is just gorge. So this one is again another stunner. This is BORA, and obviously when you hear the name BORA, you think of somewhere, you know, hot and tropical and things like that, but I actually used this on a winter design and it totally worked. Like, I used like a similar base colour underneath, and I did like a 3D glitter sweater mani kind of look, and again looked absolutely stunning. So this is so gorgeous. We all love mermaid manis, and this is totally a mermaid tail colour glitter. So this one here is very, very stunning, and it's Welsh Dragon, and it's a multichrome. And I actually was so taken back by how absolutely stunning this looked when I swatched it. Like in the pot, it just does not show off how spectacular it looks. I mean, look at that, like gold and red and orange flare that goes through it. That was a surprise one. I wasn't expecting to like that one as much as I did, or not to like it, but I didn't expect it to have that wow factor when I swatched it. So this is Mahogany. So I think out of all of them, this is probably the one that I'm not that mad on, I've got to be honest, but I just don't particularly like using brown on my nails, but that's just my personal preference. And this one, I was like so desperate to swatch as soon as I saw it, and boy did it not disappoint. Just look at that colour. It's like a little gorgeous rainbow going all over your nails, all twinkling, and yeah, proper stunning. Really love that one. And this is the last one. So this is Granite. So this is your sort of black holographic glitter. Again, another little stunner. So I really hope that you found my review and swatches of this collection helpful. This will have pride of place on my nail desk. It's just so gorgeous. I like the fact that I've got this on this little display as well, so I can look at it for future reference, but just look at it twinkling and sparkling away. And those were the other glitters as well. It didn't quite fit on the one nail stand. And I got these nail stands, you know, fairly cheap off eBay as well, for anybody that is wondering. I can leave links as well. But yeah, absolutely love this collection. 100% recommend it. And, you know, just try a few colours at a time. Obviously you can't afford the whole collection, but yeah, you will not be disappointed. It's breathtaking, and I'm just so glad to have it in my little nail art room. So thank you so much, Natasha, for sending me these products. Thank you, Jelly Babes, for watching. So take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.